So guys, here you can see one more video as we came of the machine learning, and in today's machine learning video I am telling about a job replacement. If you don't know what a job replacement, so in today's video your whole concept will be clear about it, what a job replacement. So please hit a like button, share, friend, subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to all the notification bell also so never miss our future latest videos. So now I do not take a long time, so let's move from computer screen and lesson about what a job replacement in machine learning. So let's move from computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, in today's machine learning video, I'm telling about the job replacement. If you don't know what a job replacement, so let's get started without wasting any time. What job will be taken over by computers? What job will be taken over by computers? What? Let me tell you. In 2013, the Oxford scientists Carl Benedict Ferry and Michael Osborne published a probability that 47% of all professions will take over by computers in 2 decades. Like there is one diagram of computers reachable. Like here we define a rank, probability, label, source code, and occupation. Like in this diagram, like rank 687, 0.98 probability, and occupation is order, colors, and source is like that. Here you can see it. Source Oxford, the future of employment PDF. There is one PDF it has been given me. Let me open it. Okay. From here you can download it. I am not downloading it. Okay. The table below is from the list. It ranks occupations according to the probability of the computerization. Like if you bookkeeping, 99% of all tax preparers, 99% of all account clerks, 98% of all bookkeeping clerks, 98% of all credit analysis. Carl Benedict Free and Michael Osborne were right. Today bookkeeping is automated. For these jobs, computers are much more affordable than people. Sales and customers. 99% of all telemarketers, 97% of all cashiers, 94% of all door-to-door salesmen, 92% of all insurance agents, 85% of all sales representatives, 58% of all financial advisors, 55% of all customer service, 54% of sales agents. They were right. Web shopping is taking over. Conversion rates for telephone sales are not very attractive. Production workers. 98% of all packaging machine operators, 95% of all print, building and finishing workers, 93% of all industrial truck operators, 92% of all production workers, 97% of all food preparation workers. Assembly line robots has been around for 50 years. Today, smart robots can be programmed by anyone to do anything. Robots are replacing jobs at Amazon. Read and write. 99% of all data entry carers, 84% of all proofreaders, 65% of all librarians, 54% of all film and video editors. Proofreading software is everywhere, from spell check to the Hemingway app. Bartenders, 81% of all fast food cooks, 77% of all bartenders, 77% of all dishwashers. Coffee robots can replace many baristas. 5 robot coffee baristas 2020. You can go in that link and see that. I'm not going that link and I'm not saying that. Robotic bartenders on quantum of the seas, Royal Caribbean. Postal services. 95% of all postal services clerks,
79% of all mail sorters, and 75% of all postmasters, 68% of all mail carriers, airplane pilots, 55% of all pilots, and the military uses drones today. Tomorrow AI will replace the pilot and of cargo planes. Passenger planes will only have one pilot. The second pilot will be an autopilot. Drivers and transportation jobs. 69% of all taxi drivers, 69% of all truck drivers, 67% of all bus drivers. Self-driving cars is already a reality. The potential of jobs lost in the staggering. Very soon, AI could replace millions of transportation jobs. Robots could take 20 million jobs by 2030. According to a study from Oxford Economics 2019, there could be 14 million robots working in China by 2030. Like in the example there is one cumulative job lost since 2000. Like in the 2001, 2002, 3, 9, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16. Like first of all 2 lakh job has been lost, and then 4 lakh, 6 lakh, 8 lakh, then 1 million, then 1 million 200, 2 lakh, 1 million, 4 lakh, 1 million, 6 lakh, 1 million, 8 lakh, like that the job is lost. This is one source of the Oxford Economics. Okay, so here you can see it. In today's video we learn about what are job replacements. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share friends, subscribe to my channel, do not forget to all the notification bell also, you never miss our future latest videos. So I meet you next class, and next very amazing class, like that type of very amazing type of videos. So for today, goodbye.